Let us make a HTML template in RCC, which then can be played with any other client software to Kaspersky Strategy server. So let us make a rectangle here, gradient color white, then this one less white, and then this one less white, set gradient like this. Now let us have a text box and let us modify this. Like this, we'll put like this, color to black, and then put a image border like this. So this an image and this will be dynamic. Let us select the text and make it a CCG compatible, CCG F0, set ID, and this image, select this image, CCG image 0, set ID. Now we will make we will go to timeline, enable timeline, and select all these materials and set final point, and then suppose select this initial points, put this like this, Control A to select all, and then set a start point and set end point. Now let us play with the timing. So this is the copy this and paste to all like this. Now we can preview. If you auto out disable, then play this is Kaspersky Strategy, and then stop, play. It will not auto out because it's disabled, then stop. Now let us export this template, export HTML, and I have made a RCC folder and select I replace this already made template. Now we will go to CMP. I have opened the HTML template, and this is the template. When you select this, we see the default data, Vimlesh Kumar, and this default data you can see. If you play, you will get it like this, and then stop animation. But let us change the data. Anurag Kashyap, and then image also like this, and play that. You can see, and then stop animation. Suppose it is online, Anurag Kashyap, and then we are changing 1 2 3 4, and we can changing this flag also, and then update like this. Now let us see the template code. I will open this in Visual Studio Code. So I am injecting style which have keyframe for animation, and then a function to observe when it is first loaded, and then body is loaded, then display should be none of the CCG prefixed IDs, so that default data is not online. Then this is a function for out animation, and this is a function to update the string, and this is a function to update the image. While updating the image, I have to select the get element by ID, and then there is difference between normal HTML and this SVG element, because in normal HTML ID contains the inner HTML of the thing which we want to replace, but in this case there is a children, namely text and then T-span, and for image there is a children main element which we give the ID is in G group tag, and then there is a image, and we want to change the attribute like this, and then we have to set preserve aspect ratio as none, and then display is equal to block type, because when first we are setting display as none. So and from the VB client we will I have made a sample application. I am sending the update string and update image. First I am playing with play HTML like this command, and then update string. So key and value pair, update string key and value pair like this. And for stopping the animation, I am calling the stop animation function. This stop animation function is out animation. This is out animation. So this out animation function is here. Out animation function is here. This is injected when we export from the HTML. This is from HTML when we this all are injected dynamically when we export from RCC software. So I will attach this application also. We can play the template with CMP HTML template module, and if you want to make a template, I will attach this code, so that everyone can try this software. We will play with new data like this. First let us stop this template, earlier template. This is sample application to test with. So play with new data, and then out animation, play with new data, and suppose we want to update Sunil Kumar Pandey, and this also something different, then update function like this, you can see.